If you want to turn your kitchen into a true high-performance center, Ninja has the perfect products for you. In today's video, we'll show you the best Ninja products to have at home and take your recipes to the next level. Stay until the end to find out which one will be your favorite. And remember, all product links are in the video description and the first pinned comment. Take advantage because some of them are on sale. Click and check the prices. Oh, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to help the channel grow and bring more great content for you. Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System. Starting with a true kitchen powerhouse, the Ninja Mega Kitchen System BL770. This is a complete kitchen system that combines multiple functions into a single powerful appliance. With a 1500W motor, it blends, processes, kneads, and crushes like few others. It includes a 72-ounce pitcher, a 64-ounce food processor, and 2 Nutri-Ninja cups with lids for smoothies, allowing you to prepare any recipe with ease. And the best part? The parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. If you want an all-in-one system, this is the right investment. A blender, food processor, and smoothie maker in a single product, saving you space in the kitchen. This product is one of Ninja's best sellers, with an impressive 4.7 out of 5 rating from customers, proving that you won't regret this purchase. Link in the description and pinned comment. Ninja DG551 Foodi Smart XL6. In 1 indoor grill. How about grilling steakhouse quality meets indoors? The Ninja DG551 Foodi Smart XL is a 6-in-1 smart grill that can also air fry, roast, slow cook, sear, dehydrate, and more. With its Foodi Smart thermometer, it automatically adjusts the temperature to ensure the perfect doneness for your meats, and the smoke-reducing technology is making it perfect for indoor use. Also, the air frying function allows you to prepare crispy foods with less oil for healthier meals. And it is large cooking space, ideal for families or hosting guests. Want juicy, perfectly grilled meats without leaving your home? This is the grill for you. This product sells thousands of units every month and holds a 4.6 out of 5 customer rating, proving you won't regret it. Link in the description and pinned comment. Ninja Crispi 4. In 1 portable glass air fryer. If you love crispy and healthy food, the Ninja Crispi 4 in 1 will surprise you. With portable glass cooking technology, it can bake, fry, cook, and even store food in the included glass containers. It is 4-quart capacity, or approximately 3.8 liters, perfect for meals for up to 4 people. And it is safe for microwave, freezer, and dishwasher. The Ninja Crispi 4 in 1 comes with 6-cup glass containers with lids, allowing you to cook and store food in the same container. And its portable design, making it easy to transport and use anywhere. This versatile and compact system is ideal for those looking for a single appliance that covers multiple cooking techniques and storage solutions. This newest Ninja release is already selling thousands of units monthly, with a 4.5 out of 5 rating from consumers. You won't regret it. Link in the description and pinned comment. If you're enjoying the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Ninja SLUSHi FS301. RapidChill technology. For frozen drink lovers, the Ninja SLUSHi FS301 is simply incredible. It features RapidChill technology, which quickly cools ingredients, allowing you to create slushies, fraps, margaritas, and more in seconds. It has 88-ounce capacity, which means approximately 2.6 liters. It is great for making large batches. Ninja SLUSHi comes with 5 preset programs, ensuring perfect consistency without the mess, and makes it very easy to use with intuitive controls. The modern design with premium finishes, adding elegance to your kitchen. Perfect for parties and for anyone who loves a refreshing drink. This product sells thousands of units monthly, with a 4.6 out of 5 customer rating, proving you won't regret it. Link in the description and pinned comment. Ninja NC301 CREAMi Ice Cream Maker. If you're a dessert fan, the Ninja CREAMi NC301 will win you over. With this machine, you can make ice creams, milkshakes, gelatos, and smoothie bowls in just minutes, thanks to its 7 automatic programs. It comes with 2 1-pint containers, which means approximately 473 milliliters each container with lids for making and storing different flavors. With Ninja CREAMi, you can add mix-ins like chocolate chips, fruits, and nuts to personalize your treats. That makes you have full control over ingredients, allowing you to create healthier, customized desserts. The compact design, saving space in your kitchen. This ice cream maker is perfect for families and dessert lovers who want to create custom, healthy treats at home. This is one of Ninja's newest releases and one of its best sellers, with a 4.5 out of 5 customer rating. Link in the description and pinned comment. If you're enjoying the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Ninja 12-cup programmable coffee brewer. And to wrap up our list, what's better than a perfect cup of coffee? The Ninja 12-cup programmable coffee brewer lets you program your coffee maker to brew your coffee exactly the way you like it. It comes with 2 brew styles, adjustable warming plate, and a 60 ounces reservoir, up to 12 cups of coffee. This coffee brewer is perfect for coffee lovers who want a fresh, delicious brew at any time of day. This coffee maker is one of the best options available, with a 4.5 out of 5 customer rating, proving you won't regret this purchase. Link in the description and pinned comment. Now that you've seen the best Ninja products, which one stood out the most to you? Will you be getting one? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget, all the product links are in the description and pinned comment to make shopping easier. Just add your favorite to your cart. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing reviews and tips. See you in the next video.